I have a data of growth of Hindu and Muslim population between 2001 and 2011. You will see that everywhere the growth of Hindu population is coming down and Muslim population is increasing in every blocks of Assam. We have also started scrutinizing the land sale permission. Tate ami dekha paisu je Hindue Musalmanok bikri kora matir poriman bahut besi aru Musalmanor pra Hindue kina bahut kom. Even Tinsukiar dore jilat Hindue Musalmanok bikri kora matir khonkha besi aru Musalmane Hinduk mati bikri kora khonkha bahut kom. Tarpra buja jai aru ei Muslimor bhitor bahut kheni Asamiya Muslim ase Khilonjia Muslim ase tat amar eku apotti nai kintu generally jodi apuni sabo jai tetiale the demography jito change hoise sense to okol population od ho nai wealth to hoi ase